Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. Boo, boo, boo. Welcome. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I have my Ipsy Glam Bag. I haven't had one of these in a really long time, but I decided that I'm going to give it a go again because Ipsy Glam Bag, they put full-size things in here, and for the small pittance of 12 bucks, to get some full-size stuff in here and some good samples. And plus the makeup bags are way better than the makeup bags of the Glam Bag Plus. You know, I really dig that. So there it is. So please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. And I got to choose something. Oh, this actually tells me what's in the bag. And it's in tiny writing, so I will put my spectacles on. And the first thing that I chose was the Refreshments Cleansing Facial Wipes, because I'm always wearing makeup and needing to take it off. And the Refreshments brand is an Ipsy brand, and I thought I would give it a try. And so this is, you know, I don't know how much it goes for, but probably at least $6 or $7. And, you know, that's pretty daggone good. Pretty daggone good, a full size 30 count. And look at this bag. It matches the Glam Bag Plus. But this is a great little festive, kind of a Florida bag. Look, it's got a little leaf that says Ipsy there. And the first thing I'm pulling out is a very large size of setting powder from Kokie Cosmetics, and it's translucent. And this is a very nice, I've had a lot of caffeine, so if I'm a little shaky, that's what it is. I'm going out tonight, and some people pregame with alcohol. I pregame with caffeine, girl, I'm telling you. So this is a really nice, generous size of translucent powder, and don't let the hours you spend doing your makeup go to waste. Use a setting powder to make it stay in place. It also helps reduce shine from oily skin throughout the day. So this is a really nice size. Like, that's a lot of translucent powder. If I say that one more time, I'm gonna poke myself in the eye. And then we have from Pistache, this, look at this, it's like dented in. It doesn't seem like there's hard, and I'm holding this up to the light, and there's barely anything in here. Pistache Skincare Hydrating Eye Cream. This fast absorbing eye refresher goes on smoothly to help even out your under eye skin. A potent moisturizing fluid that helps diminish visible signs of aging around the eyes. This formula harnesses the power of pistachio oil to hydrate and refresh. It's so tiny. It's sealed, so nothing has come out. They just don't hardly give you, they give you a pittance, I say, of pistache. A pittance of pistache. Let's see what else we have in here. We have from Fuji, from it's Dew of the Gods Collagen Whip Vitamin Mask. This is sealed. I'm going to keep it sealed. It's probably going to go on a giveaway. And this is with vegan collagen, vitamin C, and lychee extract. This mask is the boost of hydration you need to help brighten, tone, and restore your skin. Very cool. You know, that's great for travel size. And then this is full size. So we've got two full size items in here. And this is Orza, O-R-Y-Z-A, Oriza Glow Up Lip Balm and Peach Tea. Your softest lips ever are one swipe away. This simple yet effective balm treats parched lips with intense hydration they need. All thanks to the trio of super moisturizers that provide maximum relief to dry, chapped lips. You can use it as a primer under your lipstick. That's very cool, but that's full size, and that's pretty great. And it's sealed. I'm going to keep that sealed because I don't need a lip gloss. I've got literally a basket of lip glosses, but this will be great for a gift. Gift giving season is just around the corner. It's almost Halloween in my world, so then it's almost Christmas. So, and I'm already Christmas shopping because that's how I roll. And that is the Glam Bag. So I hope that you've enjoyed this. I feel really good about this because 2 full-size items and then a big old translucent powder, that's fantastic. So I feel like that is definitely worth the $12. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.